Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have the Boxycharm versus Ipsy video. So I kind of received these boxes a couple days ago, but I have been lacking on energy and kind of been a little bit busy, so I haven't been able to sit down and film this. But today, since I'm doing a lot of deep cleaning because I'm in the middle of moving, I figured I would get these stuff out of these boxes out the way. Also, just a small disclaimer, if it sounds like I'm running out of breath, that is because I am. That is one of the things that I just can't control. No matter how many deep breaths I've taken before I started talking, I still sound like I've been running a mile. And also, I'm in my sleeping shirt. So if you guys want to see what I received in these boxes and possibly some goodies that I'm going to give away, then just keep on watching. To be honest, I'm not sure which one got here first, but I'm going to start off with Boxycharm. Alright, so I do want to put out there that this is just a regular Boxycharm. It is $25 a month and it comes with 5 full-size products. So the first thing that I see here is this Sutra mini ceramic curling iron. So it's literally a mini curling iron. Well, to be honest, I'm going to try using this on my bangs to see if it works. Because I already have a curling iron that I use, but it's not clipless like this. But it does the job because I have really long hair. Like right now I just threw it up in a bun just because I didn't want it all over my face. But trying to use this all over my hair, it's not going to work out. So again, I don't see a card that informs me of how much the products are. But I did bring it up on my phone so that way I can let you guys know how much this little curling iron is. So this curling iron retails for $50, which I kind of believe. I mean, I feel like $50 is still a little bit expensive. I haven't heard of this brand Sutra before, but I have seen small curling irons like this go for $25. So even if you want to say that the curling iron is $50, I mean, I paid $25 for the box, so it's like I'm getting it for a discount and the rest of the items are free. So the next item that we have here is this pretty pink lip gloss. It is from Vintage by Jessica Lubinsky, and it is in the shade Pink Sequence. Now for sure this is what I'm going to put in the giveaway because I am not going to use this lip gloss even though it looks pretty. I already have my favorite lip glosses that I like to use, and realistically I don't need to add another one. So this is definitely going to be given away. Online it states that this lip gloss retails for $25. Okay, first, the packaging feels cheap. I feel like Milani has better looking packaging for lip glosses than this, so I would not pay $25 for this. The next thing that we have here is this Project Beauty hair girt, and it's a hair mask. I'm definitely going to keep this because I feel like you can never have too many hair masks, and this actually smells really good, so I am going to keep this. And this retails for $10, which is realistic, and it's a good pricing for being a all-natural product because it also says with prebiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair, sulfate and paraben free. So the next item that we have here is this Kat Von D Lash Liner Inner Liquid Eyeliner. So I've actually seen reviews of this, and I've heard that this kind of like burns people's eyes and stuff like this. I actually have a friend that uses this eyeliner, so I'm definitely going to pass it on to her because I know that she's going to get use out of this. I'm not going to keep it. It doesn't say anything online or on the packaging that it's waterproof, so that's why I'm not even going to mess with it. But this eyeliner retails for $20. Now the last item that I received is this Hank and Henry Living in Color eyeshadow palette. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is what the inside looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to keep this. I'm actually going to exchange this eyeshadow palette for the Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette. I'll have a picture down here below. One of my friends actually wanted this eyeshadow palette and I wanted the one that she received. So we're just going to trade. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $27. I feel like if the packaging was just a little bit realistic, then I would be interested to try it. I haven't tried any Hank and Henry products. I have heard good things about it, but like I said, I'm trying not to hoard makeup right now because I don't need it. I'm moving. I have too much of it, as y'all saw in my declutter videos. So if I can give this to a friend and switch it for something that I do want, then it's a win-win situation. So I will leave the total retail of the Boxycharm box down here so that way you guys can make a judgment if this is something you want to sign up for or not. I feel like the products were okay. I am gonna end up keeping 3 products out of the 5. Technically, I am gonna give 1 product away, and I am gonna give this one to a friend. Now to my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this box also retails for $25 and comes with 5 full-size products. But for the month of March, since we're celebrating, what are we celebrating again? Oh, the 100th glam bag, you get a 6th product. So we're gonna start off with the Ipsy bag. I personally, I wish it was a different type of color. I wish it would have been this like pretty mauve, pinky tone all over, because this is just throwing it off. So what I'm gonna do is of course add the lip gloss in the bag for you guys. The first item that we have here is the Hemp Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Body Moisturizer. That smells really good. I actually have heard a lot of good things about this moisturizer, so I am gonna actually keep it to try it out. I feel like with body lotions, I can use it, my husband can use it. I'm not sure if my son can use it, but it's gonna get used. So this size retails for $10.59. Now for this item, I did pick myself, so I was excited to open my bag. And this is the Balm Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go palette. It is so cute, and these colors are definitely up my alley. Now I know you guys, I said no more blush and no more stuff like this, but I was already gonna get in my Ipsy bag, you know, so might as well. And I actually haven't tried the Balm products. I do have an eyeshadow palette that I still haven't been able to put into rotation. The face products did seem promising, so why not add another little Balm product to my collection. Now this is what the blushes look like, and then the highlighter. The shades are actually very creamy and they are definitely right up my alley, so I'm definitely glad I picked this out. Now this retails for $26.50. Now the next item that I'm actually going to, I can already tell because I saw on the card, I'm gonna add to my giveaway is this Face Zero Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Undercover. Now this product is definitely, again, not my shade. I already have too many lippies, so might as well give it to somebody that's gonna get use out of it. Now the next thing I'm kind of excited for is this Malin and Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. It states that it's a multitasking eye gel, lightweight, soaks into the skin without leaving behind any annoying residue, and helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. So that sounds like everything that I need right now. So this sounds like it is gonna get used. I did go through my skincare products and I am running low on some of my eye creams, so perfect timing. Now this as well retails for $42, so that's a little high value for a small bottle. Now the next item that we see here is this Trick and Treat Concealer from Hey Honey. I'm always on the search for concealers, but to be honest, this thing looking a little light. Yeah, so that's looking a little light. I'm actually gonna put this in the box for my family members because I do have a cousin that's light skin tone, so I'm pretty sure she'll enjoy using this. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna put this in a giveaway because who knows, you know, if the person wins, can even use this. So I'm gonna end up having to give this to a family member. And this product retails for $36. Now the last item that we have here is from Billion Dollar Brows. It is a brow butter pomade kit. It comes with a little brush and of course the pomade. I don't want to open it just yet, just because I am going through my Anastasia one, so I am gonna see how many brow pomades I have open right now. So that way I can decide if I'm going to keep this or not. But this is going to be my shade. It's in the shade Taupe. And I'll definitely get use out of it if I don't have that many pomades already open. Now this product retails for $24. Alright, for this I'll also leave the total retail value of this box. To be honest, both boxes were kind of like, But I feel like for my preferences, I preferred the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month versus Boxycharm. I feel like I'm just not going to get that many use out of the products that I got. And the only reason why I am going to get use out of one of the products in the Boxycharm, it is because I am switching out one of the eyeshadow palettes with my friend. So again, so far I am going to still keep both boxes because like I said, I'm not purchasing anything. I mean, I did go to Ulta to do some returns. And I did end up buying just some face sponges because I did need some. I finally ended up going through my face sponges as well, and it turns out I was using some that I shouldn't have. Alright guys, so now to the fun part. If you guys want to win these little goodies and as well some other stuff that I have been decluttering that is brand new that I haven't used, then all you have to do is just leave your Instagram name down below so that way I can contact you, and as well, of course, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.